Good afternoon, my beautiful family and friends, and welcome to Coco's channel. Thank you guys so much if you've already subscribed to the channel. And if you haven't, guys, it's not too late to go ahead and click the subscribe button, okay? You can also like, comment, and share this video. The notification bell, guys, you can click on that and it will notify you of any new and upcoming video that is released. So today, guys, I am going to share with you something that I have found to be instrumental to me in my life. And I've had it for some time, but I've just not had the opportunity to use it. And here lately, I have been using it like a lot because my car, something is wrong with it. And I really need to take time and find out why it's draining my battery. So without any further ado, I want to reveal to you my favorite Amazon item. All right, guys, so it's called DBPOWER. DBPOWER, okay? And this, again, is an Amazon find. I am quite sure you could go on to dbpower.com and you will be able to find the very same thing. All right, guys, so DBPOWER is a portable battery charging that you can carry around with you in your car. It's just a smaller version of what AAA, Geico, and all of the other companies that you call for roadside assistance has. But it does the exact same thing, guys, the exact same thing. It even has a compass on here, I guess, in case you are disoriented and you are lost and don't know where you are and you have this in your vehicle. It will definitely show you where you are. Here is where you actually put your charging port in for your cables. And, oh, sorry about that. This is the actual charging port right here. So, and then these are the red and the black cables. And this little button here slides on and it tells you that your battery is charged to 100%. So that is this button right here, the on and off button. And this right here, guys, is what you actually charge with. So this is the actual charging cable. So you just hook this in and you plug it into the wall and it charges for you. And that again goes right there. And then again, that's the on and off. And then this here, guys, is if you're, if it is charged at 100%, you can actually charge your phones, 2 phones at one time. And this is your power button here. And I think that's for the emergency light. I'm not certain because there is a flasher on here. I know that shows you how much the battery is charged. And then this one here well, I'm not certain what that one does, but I do know that there's a flashing light on here, guys, but I don't know if, let me see. Let me cut it on and then press that button. Yep, see? So if you need a flashlight, you got a flashlight, and then I think it goes, yep, off. So that is controlled by this here on and off switch. So I'm getting ready to give you a first-hand view of how this is going to work, because I know my battery is going to be dead as a doornail when I go downstairs. So here we go. All right, guys, so here we go. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean when I get in, and it is going to be dead as a doornail. Needs to be cleaned out so bad. Okay, so I got my key in and it's on. Dead as a doornail. So I am going to pop my hood. I am going to get my DBPOWER bank out. I'm going to hook it up just like I showed you inside. So when you hook it up, guys, you see that little flashing green light. It lets you know that there's power to the bank and you are good to go. So I'm going to go outside, get my truck hood open, and get it charged. All right, so here we go with my battery and my power bank. I have my black cable right here, guys, and the red one here. So I'm gonna place the black one on the black cord, like so. Okay, and then we're going to place the red one just like that. And you hear all of that? See, the lights are on now. Okay, so it just went off. See, all of my lights are on the inside. Unplug it. Let my hood down. And put everything right back where it belongs. I really have no idea why it keeps going down like this. I've had my alternator checked and I've purchased a new battery and still does the same thing. So it could be electrical, which the place that they referred me to here is like 2 or 3 months behind schedule. So you have to basically leave your car there for that time frame. All right, guys, so that was my DB Power Bank. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. I do believe that every vehicle should have a DB power source in their vehicle. That's just how I feel. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. It's just something everybody needs. Some people may not have is that a hole? Jesus. Some people may not have roadside assistance, you know, and your job may depend on you, you know, getting back and forth to work. And your battery might die for just whatever reason. So, yeah. Guys, if I'm talking funny, it's because I have this jawbreaker. I hadn't had one of those hot cinnamon jawbreakers in forever. But I had to come check my lottery numbers. And then I had to get lottery tickets. So, anyway, guys, love you so much. Love you so much. And hope you enjoyed that video. Please share the video with your family and friends. Doesn't matter if you're single or married. Everybody can use one, all right? So thank you so much. And until the next time, guys, remain sweet and kind. And bye for now.